Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data because a full backup prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once done, make sure the Oneplus 9 is charged to at least 50% and on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Next, verify you have 2 GB free and note the current Oxygen OS build in Settings. Now, open Settings and go to System Updates. This is the first actionable step. Tap Check for updates so the phone can locate the latest official package. Once the update appears, tap Download and watch the progress. Packages can be 200 MB or larger depending on the release. If you prefer control, choose Manual Install so you can start at a convenient time. Otherwise, let Auto Reboot handle it. For a local upgrade, place the official package in the phone's root storage, open System Updates, tap the 3 dots and select Local Upgrade. Make sure you do not interrupt the install. Once it starts, let the phone reboot and apply changes. You finish by confirming the update. Check Settings About Phone to see the new build, and then open key apps to ensure functionality. If something behaves oddly, reboot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is the cause. This isolates problems without uninstalling apps immediately. If the install failed or the phone won't boot, boot into recovery mode and either clear cache or apply the local ROM again. One key troubleshooting tip: do not factory reset until you've backed up current logs and data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.